point it at me for a second. This is the first fish with Stacey off the boat. And the first fish ever caught on the FattyBait swim bait. What is it?
Stay hook.
Bit of shoulders, whatever it is.
Oh, it's a jack.
All right, all right, all right. I think he's fouled a little bit. It's okay. We'll take any kind of stink on the boat we can get.
Stay hook.
He's still kind of green.
Oh, we didn't bring the net today.
Look how yellow he is.
Oh, wow, pretty. Wow. Yay. How can you see the fishy? So gentle. Watch the plug there, honey.
I'm pretty sure he ate that.
Huck, you see Daddy got a fishy? Look here. You see Daddy got fishy?
It's like a yellow inshore tuna. Look at him.
He's pretty.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Huck, what's he saying?
You gonna say hi to the fishy?
What's up, dude? That's what we came up for, right? To get some bend in the rod.
Very cool. Great job.
Say bye-byes.
See ya, fishy.
Boy.
Huckleberry, stay.